Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The minister confirmed that he knows this Mr. Brown Mokgotsi during the telephone conversation that he had, which was posted on X.
Izohlala okokuqala ngomandulo ikhomishana izobe iholwa ijaji eselithatha umhlala phansi umbuyiseli Madlanga nezobe iphenya intsolo ezenziwa umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
His application for bail is accordingly refused.
Inkantolo yemantshi yase-Alexandra isichithile isicelo sebheyili sikakatiso Cat Mulife nosolo ngokubulala nokuba ungqondongqondo ekucijweni kwetulo lokubulala usaziwayo u-Oupa Sifoka nowayedume ngelika DJ Somebody. Undunankulu waseJapan usegcizelele ukuyibophezela kwelaleyazo ukusebenzisana namazwe ase-Afrika usho lokhu engqungqutheleni yokudingida amasu okuthuthukisa izwekazi e-Afrika ehanjelwe umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa. Mbukele sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba yenza kusihlwa enzethulela unoqobo uMamtshali wakwaMwali. Isithangami sekhomishana yejaji umbuyiseli Madlanga esimalungana nesigcawu sophenyo mayelana nezinsolo ezenziwa umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kulindeleke ukuthi siqale emhlalulunye kwezokwethwasa. Le khomishana yasungulelwa ukuthi iphenye izinsolo zobugebengu ukuxambukela kwezombusazwe kanye nenkohlakalo ohlakweni lwezobulungiswa. Lokhu kwaholela ekutheni umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa anikeze ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu umhlaba khefu ngesikhathi kusaqhutshwa uphenyo kwabeke sekuqokwa usolwazi uFiroz Kachalia esikhundleni sakhe. Estatimendeni le khomishana iqinisekisile ukuthi isitholile indawo ezosingathela kuyo lolu daba kanti kulindeleke ukuthi isithangami sokuqala sibanjwe esidlangalaleni. Ihhovisi lale khomishana lizoba sekolishi iBridget Mabandla Justice ePitoli. Kusenjalo ikhomishana igcizelela ukuthi amahhovisi awakakulungeli ukusebenza okwamanje. Uzoqhubeka nokugcinwa eitokisini usomabhizinisi uKatiso Mulife njengoba inkantolo yemantshi yase-Alexandra isichithile isicelo sakhe sebheyili. Umlife usolwa ngokuba ngqondongqondo ekucijweni kwetulo lokubulala usaziwayo u-Oupa Sifoka owaziwa ngelika DJ Somebody. Imoto eyayihamba uSifoka nabaqaphi bakhe yatholakala idutshulwe ngoyaba lweinhlamvu ngolwezi wango-2022. Umlife useyoze abuyele enkantolo ngenyanga ezayo.
Ungene eshaya kancane eboxini lofakazi egadwe amaphoyisa uKatiso Mlife kanti inkosi yenkantolo uBoshoff ibisemfundela imiqulu echaza ngesinqumo sayo yagcina imchitha.
The applicant failed to put the exceptional circumstances justifying his release on bail. As I have highlighted, there are a number of very concerning aspects, not only linking the applicant to the crimes, but also regarding his circle of influence and capabilities. His application for bail is accordingly refused.
Obezomela umndeni kaSifoka uthi labantu abaqotha abanye ngenhlamvu ababizwa ngeinkabi kumele bazi ukuthi asebashele amahlathi.
Inkabi won't be tolerated. We've reached a point in our country's history where we are not going to tolerate where we are led by a bullet. We cannot afford to have our people living in fear, whether it's a prosecutor, a police officer, a witness, a whistleblower, a businessman that wants to settle a dispute. We cannot as a country allow for disputes to be settled with a bullet.
Okhulumela uphiko iNPA uphinde Mjonondwana uthi bayasithokozela kakhulu isinqumo sokuthi angadedelwa ngebheyili uMlife.
Sasithokozela kakhulu isinqumo senkantolo sumnyango obushushisi sesaletha ubufakazi phambi kwenkantolo obukhombisa inkantolo ukuthi amacala lawa abamangalelwa ababhekane nawo amacala ahlelwe ngokucophelela okuphezulu ngakho ke kufanele ukuthi bagcinwe estokisini kuze kuxoxwe icala lize liphele bangadedelwa ngoba baya ubungozi emphakathini.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Undunankulu waseJapan uShigeru Ishiba wethule inkulumo yakhe engqungqutheleni yesishagalolunye lapho eqinisekise ukuthi umnotho wezwe wesine ulangazelela ukusebenzisana nezwekazi iAfrika. Lo mbuthano obuthanyelwe umengameli wakuleli Cyril Ramaphosa ububanjwe ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Co-Creating Innovative Solutions with Africa.
Le ngqongqothela esishagalolunye ye-TKD yenzeka nje kunokungaboni ngasolinye okuqhubekayo kwezinye izingxenye zomhlaba kanye nokuphazamiseka kokuhwebelana emhlabeni wonke. Izwekazi Afrika selihlele ethembeni ngobudlelwane balo nelaseJapan ukuze libhekane nalezinselele.
We meet at a time of interconnected crises and deep inequalities. Tackling these crises requires a clear focus not only on development for Africa, but on development with Africa.
Le ngqongqothela yabanjwa kokuqala ngonyaka 1993 igxila ezinhlelweni zeJapan zokweseka intuthuko eAfrika.
I urge all stakeholders, governments and development partners, the private sector and the civil society to renew the commitment to innovation-driven collaboration. Together, we can co-create solutions that are not only transformative, but also sustainable and inclusive.
Undunankulu waseJapan uthi leli yazwe linobudlelwano bomqoka nezwekazi Afrika.
He says, just as we once did in Asia, we the people of Japan wish to laugh, cry and break a sweat alongside the people of Africa.
Le ngqongqothela ibanjwa ngesikhathi lapho iJapan ifuna ukuqinisa ubudlelwane bokuhwebelana nezwekazi iAfrika.
Amabhange omhlaba kanye nathile azinze eNingizimu Afrika asolwa ngombimbi lwetulo lokwehliswa kwezinga lamandla erandi ezimakethe ukuze ahlomule. Anikezwe ithuba lokuyiphendulela namhlanje inkantolo yomthethosisekelo njengoba kuqhubeka izinsolo zecala elibhekene nawo elifakwe ikhomishana elawula ezokuncintisana.
Ikhomishana yezokuncintisana ifuna ukucela inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ukuthi onke amabhange abeshiwe ngaphandle esinqumweni esikhishwe inkantolo yezokuncintisana iCompetition Appeal Court ngonyaka wedlule engezwe ohlini lwabamangalelwe uma seqhubeka isigcawu secala. Ikhomishana yezokuncintisana igaqela ukuthi iquliswe onke amabhange asolwa ngokuba nesandla etulweni lokuhlelwa ngamabomu kokuntengantenga kwezinga lamandla erandi ezimakethe uma lisuke liqhathaniswa namandla edola.
It is difficult to quantify. But the part of the reason we want to prosecute this case is that we want all those details about the amount of damage the manipulations have caused.
Phakathi kwamabhange abephambi kwesigungu sabehluleli benkantolo yomthethosisekelo kubalwa kuwo awase New Zealand eAustralia kanye nabamele ibhange iNedbank kanye neStandard Bank.
At the most fundamental level, there is nothing at all against ANZ.
The case against Nedbank is based on sporadic allegations of cryptic market conduct that the Commission has effectively thumbsucked from a set of trading data.
The bank's share price dropped 3.8% in the few days after that press announcement. And it indicated that at that time, that drop in share value equated to 8.5 billion rand. That was the prejudice to Standard Bank because the Commission would not engage it at any point prior to the referral.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa kuphinde kuvele esigcawini ezinye izinhlaka ezithintekayo zamabhange. Lisithangamsizo zesiphothule ngolesihlanu enkantolo yomthethosisekelo.
Sekuboshwe abasola ababili ngemva kwesigameko sokuzama ukubamba inkunzi amalungu eDA eParliamente amathathu okubalwa kuwo usihlalo wekomiti elibhekela amaphoyisa uIan Cameron eCape Flats.
It does appear that Ian managed to get a shot off in self-defense. He used his firearm and injured one of the suspects, and that suspect, the assailants then fled. And that suspect was subsequently traced by the city's Safety and Security Investigations Unit and the South African Police after searching multiple hospitals to the Mitchells Plain Hospital, where he is currently under guard. And the vehicle license plate was identified from the CCTV cameras at the hospital, which led to the driver of the vehicle being found yesterday evening in Brown's Farm in Philippi and being taken into custody. And the debriefing of that person then led to a third suspect arrested 4 o'clock this morning in possession of bloodied clothing that they used to attempt to stem the blood from the first suspect that is in hospital. The number of bricks and the ferocity of the violence is a bit surprising, but at this stage there is nothing to suggest that it was not other than an attempted robbery or perhaps an attempted hijacking. But if a hijacking, the car would likely not have been damaged to that extent.
Lisasiqwedolo nganto mangabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi Sakunembuzo ngokuthi izoqhamuka phi imali yokusingatha umkhosi womhlanga walonyaka ngemva kokuthi ingonyama yamaZulu uMisuzulukazi welithini yememezele ukuthi lo mkhosi obusingathwa esigodlweni enyokeni kwaNongoma usuzothuthelwa esigodlweni esisophongolo. Siphinda sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi izohlala okokuqala ngomandulo ikhomishana ezobe iholwa ijaji eselithatha umhlala phansi umbuyiseli Madlanga nezobe iphenya insolo ezenziwa umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe kwaZulu-Natal lihlela ukukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka mayelana nalokho elikubiza ngokwehluleka kohulumeni wobumbano esifundazweni. Leli qembu lithi abaholi besifundazwe abakwazanga ukubhekana nezinsolo zenkohlakalo kwamanye amalungu esigungu esiphezulu sesifundazwe.
This march is about exposing to the people of KwaZulu-Natal what KwaZulu-Natal looks like with the current governance arrangement. As we have said, when we go to a march on Friday, we will explain what KwaZulu-Natal will look like under the administration of the MK party. Therefore, we do not disassociate this march from a process towards taking over power in KwaZulu-Natal.
Lo EFF esifundazweni iLimpopo ihole imashi yezakhamuzi yokukhala ngentengo yogesi ukwentula kwamanzi kanye nokungaphathwa ngendlela komasipala wasePulukwane.
Bekubomvu emgwaqweni yasePulukwane namhlanje. Abebeyingxenye lemashi bathi sebekhathele ukukhokhela izinsiza ezifana nogesi namanzi yize bechitha isikhathi esiningi bengenawo lawo manzi.
We don't have water and our electricity bills are very high. Even when we pay, they keep going high. We are here to fight for our rights because we are suffering.
Okunye obekuseqhulwini lemashi uqokwa komuntu odabuka eZimbabwe esikhundleni sokuba inhloko yezamanzi nenhlanzeko. I-Action SA nayo ibe yingxenye lemashi yize lamaqembu enembono ehlukene.
Issue of supply chain and the issue of Africa as one. The local people must benefit first. The same people that we are talking about, they've got their own municipality in Bulawayo, in Harare, Chade and other areas.
So the issue of a foreign national, I cannot entertain it now, but I can tell you that as Section SA, we're still saying we don't know to illegal immigrants and saying we're still saying jobs for South Africans, spaza for locals.
Masipala uThukulungele uxoxisana nezakhamuzi ngezikhalo zazo.
I don't know what's the obsession with the executive mayor. He's pressed in an equally important engagement and he delegated his MMC, Councillor Joseph Pema, but these people don't want to give the memorandum to the MMC delegated by the executive mayor.
I-Action SA ivulele uMbhe icala ngenyanga eyedlule.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli elibhekele ukuhlela ukuqapha kanye nokuhlola uSayiso Mohayi uzokalise ukweneliseka ngenqubekela phambili esiyenziwe ekubhekaneni nenhlekelele yezikhukhula eMthatha eEastern Cape.
Utyelelo lwabo luqale kwiziko eligcina amaxhoba ezikhukhula kwiholo lase-OR Tambo. Nangona onelisekile inkqubela eyenziweyo ngalomba, uMuhayu ichaze imeko kweli ziko njengexhalabisayo.
We'll be dealing with those matters of detail outside of the normal environment. Also to engage even with entities, of state entities like ESCOM, to be able to look into areas where services were disconnected and service has got to be regularized.
Ezi zikhukhula zabangela umonakalo omkhulu kwiziseko zamanzi, bashiyeka abantu bengenamanzi isithuba esingaphezu kweveki ezimbini.
Kwakhiwe indawo abakhela kuyo oonokontraka bawukha izindlu eziyi-25 ngemini, sizimisela ukuba athi uLwesihlanu efika sibe sezizigqibile 100 ngomvulo sawufaka iifemeli zokuqala.
Ukanti luyaqhuba ulwakhiwo eMaiden Farm apho kuza kuhlaliswa khona okwethutyana amaxhoba ezikhukhula awashiyeka ezimvula zikalujaca.
Obviously, we will never wish anybody to stay in a community hall, because that facility is not meant for people to sleep in it in the first place, and very basic issues that affect the human dignity.
Isebe lokuzinziswa kwabantu lijolise kubeni onke amaxhoba ezikhukhula abesele ehlaliswe kwizindlu zawo zethutyana ekupheleni kukaSeptemba. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMthatha.
Sekunembuzo ngokuthi izoqhamuka imali yokusingatha umkhosi womhlanga walonyaka ngemva kokuthi ingonyama yamaZulu uMisuzu lukaZwelithini ememezele ukuthi lo mkhosi obusingathwa esigodlweni enyokeni kaNongoma usuzothuthelwa esigodlweni esisophongolo.
Lo mkhosi wezintombi uhlinzeka ingonyama ngethuba lokuthi ikhulume ngqo nezimbali zezwe ngamaphuzu ezinselele ezifana nokukhulelwa kwamantombazane asemancane, udaba lwesifo sengculazi, iphinde ikhuthaze nokuzithiba kwentsha ekuzihlanganiseni kwayo nezocansi. Indlunkulu kaZulu ichaze isinqumo sokuthuthelwa komkhosi womhlanga eMashobeni njengesisemqoka kakhulu. Isigodlo saseMashobeni sichazwe njengesinye isiqukethe umlando nothilwe ngesizwe samaZulu.
Ngakho ayi ukuthi silo asithandi ukuyenyokeni. Siyazi enyokeni kukhona ama-resources, kukhona izakhiwo, kungafaneleka. Kodwa ngenxa yezinto lezi engikhuluma ngazo ezingaphambi kokuba kwenze umhlanga, ezibucayi futhi ezingaba nomonakalo omkhulu abantu bengaqondi, yikho okwenza ukuthi silo sithathe isinqumo mhlambe abantu abazosibuka ngenye indlela.
Imali esisetshenziswe uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal ukulungiswa isigodlo sasenyokeni ilinganiselwa ezigidini eziyi-140 zamarandi. Phakathi kwenqalazinda esenyokeni indawo ekwazi ukumumatha abantu abayizinkulungwane ezimbili kanye nendawo yokulala eyenzelwa izintombi zomhlanga. Ihhovisi lomgcinimafa esifundazweni kubikwe ukuthi lithe ayikho imali elizoyifaka ohlelweni lwesigodlo saseMashobeni.
Ushintsho vela abantu bohlala belonqaba ushintsho, into eyaziwayo leyo. Kodwa futhi into ithi ngomhla ka-21 njengoba ngingasho la, ngomhla ka-21 kuMarch, ngomhla ka-12 ngomhla ka-12 kuMarch ngo-2021 kuhamba isilo samabandla. Zikhona izinto ezobukhosi ejulile ezasala zangakwazi ukuthi iqhubeke, futhi isile sikhona esingeke sihlale phezukwaso siqhubeke, kufanele siqale okwaso isilo.
Isigodlo saseMashobeni sizosingatha umkhosi womhlanga wawo wokuqala kulonyaka kwezokwethwasa kusukela mhla ziyi-13 kuya kumhla ziyi-14 ophongolo.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela uNothayini Ntshiza.
Nginibingelele babukeli emakhaya, ngiphinde nginamukele isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibhethimi kanjani zoqophela ke nje mbukeli usekhona ke lo wamoya koletha wona amakhaza kanti ngaphinde futhi silindele ke nje lezi imvula ke ezingatheni thani baziqiniseke khona ke masibheke nje entshonalanga Kapa kanti masibheke nje khona ke lapha nokele kaMthaniya izulu nje limboze ngamafu. Kanti futhi nakusasa singaphinde futhi silindele ke nje lezi imvula ke ezingatheni thamba ziqiniseke khona ke eKapa lodumo kepha nje masibheke khona ke eMpumalanga Kapa izulu nje limboze ngamafu kudla njalo ke limboze ngamafu kuyana khona kwesifundazwe eKwaZulu Natal. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa aphansi kusihlwa ekakhulukazi phela masibheke nje khona ke eKapa lodumo liyabanda ngo-12 bande njalo ke Appington liyabuza ngempela ukuthi ngubonga ngo-6 masibheke nje khona ku Gold Coast Soweto kaNdonga ziyaduma lisabanda ngo-9 bande njalo ke nakhona ko Emelos ngawulindela nje u8 kuyana kanjalo-ke eLady Smith liyabanda ngo-8 libande njalo nakhona-ke Mgungundlovu singalindela nje u-10 kanti masibheke nje khona-ke eThekwini lithanda ukuthi nje izulu-ke lifudumale ngo-16 libandeke Gqeberha ngo-12 yana kanjalo eGeorge lisabanda ngo-12 kanti kusasa lesabanda-ke nje eKapa lodumo singalindela nje u-17 masibheke nje khona-ke ePhington lithanda ukuthi nje lishiseke ngo-25 kanti-ke eGoli liyashisa ngo-28 lishise njalo nakhona koMusina singalindela nje u-23 lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke eMelo singalindela nje u-23 kanti-ke liyashisa eMnambithi kuyana kanjalo eMgungundlovu koMbali masibheke nje khona-ke eRichards Bay lisashisa-ke izulu ngo-27 masibheke nje khona-ke eThekwini koLamontville kuya koNtuzuma singalindela nje u-24 kanti-ke masibheke nje khona ke Gqeberha lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo-20 phole njalo-ke nakhona-ke eGeorge singalindela nje u-18 ngisibeka lapho-ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kwesihlwa mina-ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli usale kahle.